Hey everyone! Welcome back to AILOVA Hot Pot. Today we're making a delicious and crispy Sri Lankan-style dosa. A little different from the usual Indian dosa, with its unique flavors and texture. It's perfect for breakfast or even as a snack. Let's get started. Ingredients for this recipe: you'll need 1 cup raw rice or parboiled rice, half a cup Urad dal, black gram lentils, 1 tablespoon fenugreek seeds for crispiness, 1 tablespoon salt, adjust to taste, water for soaking and grinding, oil or ghee for cooking. Optional but traditional in Sri Lankan dosa. A pinch of turmeric for color and a handful of cooked rice for extra softness. Step 1. Soaking the rice and dal. First, rinse the rice and Urad dal separately until the water runs clear. Then, soak them together with fenugreek seeds in enough water for at least 6 hours, or overnight. This helps in smooth grinding. Step 2. Grinding the batter, *. Drain the water and blend the rice-dal mixture into a smooth batter. Add water gradually. It should be thick but pourable. Fermentation is key. Leave it in a warm place for 8 to 12 hours until it rises and gets slightly sour. *. Step 3. Cooking the dosa, *. Heat a non-stick pan on medium. Pour a ladle of batter, and spread it thin in a circular motion. Drizzle oil or ghee around the edges. Cook until golden and crisp, then flip for 30 seconds. Sri Lankan dosa is usually thinner and crispier. *. Serving suggestions: serve hot with coconut chutney, spicy sambar, or even a Sri Lankan lunu miris, onion chili relish, for an authentic touch. There you go. Crispy Sri Lankan-style dosa at home. If you loved this recipe, smash that like button, subscribe, and comment below what you'd like to see next. See you in the next video.